Love creamy comfort food? Then you need to try this easy mushroom sauce. Welcome back to Simply Food Recipes. Today we are making simple creamy mushroom sauce that's perfect with dumplings, potatoes, pasta or fresh bread. First, peel the onion and finely dice it into small pieces. Heat the onion in a pan or pot over medium heat. Then add the onion and cook it until it's nicely golden. Just don't let it turn brown, or it may become bitter. Clean the mushrooms and slice them into thicker pieces, so they keep their texture and don't disappear into the sauce. Once the onion is ready, add the sliced mushrooms and give everything a good stir. Now sprinkle in the ground caraway and saute everything together for a few minutes until the mushrooms soften slightly. Add enough water to just cover the mushrooms, no need for more. The mushrooms will release extra liquid as they cook. Season lightly with salt and let everything simmer gently for about 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, mix the flour with little water until smooth. You can use a whisk, but honestly, shaking it in a jar is usually the quickest and easiest method. Pour the flour mixture into a larger container, then add half and half cream, and stir until everything is completely combined. Slowly pour the cream mixture into the mushrooms while stirring continuously. If the sauce becomes thicker than you would like, simply add a little extra water and let it gently simmer until smooth and creamy. Remove the sauce from the heat and stir in the vinegar. Give it a taste and add a little more salt if needed. And that's it! This creamy mushroom sauce is delicious served with dumplings, potatoes, pasta or simply a slice of fresh bread. The full ingredients list is in the description below. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like, share and subscribe for more easy homemade dishes. Thanks for watching and see you in the next recipe.